In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete all system restore points saved on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in system restore. Best result, you come back with create a restore point. Go ahead and select that. Select where it says configure on this page. And then where it says delete all restore points for this drive, select delete. It says you will not be able to undo unwanted system changes on this drive. Are you sure you want to continue? This will delete all restore points on this drive. This may include older system image backups. Select continue, and it should say it was deleted successfully. You can just close out of here, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.